You find anything, Coco? This pond is low as shit. I only had 2 holes that were even halfway set up for this kind of pond. Lots of moss and tree pollen on the top. This jitterbug is not going to do any good. Plus, we don't even know if there's actually fish in this pond anymore. Really need a weedless or a moss mouse. Weedless rat, moss mouse, something like that. This jitterbug can't even jitter. How much shit there is on this. And sadly, the only other thing I have with me is a cheap ass fly rod and woolly bugger. It's a good woolly bugger. That's the one I tied probably about, I don't know, 10 years ago or so. Tree right behind us. Oh, you fucking tree bassin' son of a... Come on. You never want to reel in shit behind you. It's a tree shaker, Coco, it's a tree shaker. That's what happens. Fly fish in a pond with trees. You get to catch the old tree bass occasionally. It's a good thing I have a pole saw. Sitting there throwing that fly out on this pollen covered pond. See that? Pollen covered. When you tap it, you tap the water, there's a little circle there. And fish come up. And they look at it and they're like, what the fuck's that? And then they'll eat it when you let the next one land there. I was getting a lot more action over to the left and forgot that this big ass tree was standing behind me to the right. But you know what that means. Yeah, that's right. It's Milwaukee Quik-Lok time. One-handed pole saw. There's the old woolly bugger right there. Yep, she'll catch tree bass. Kansas is flat, it ain't got trees. Yeah, until you're trying to fish. Bastards are everywhere. Oh, your mama. I think there was a snake. Got ate by the mower over here. Yeah, I think it's right there. That is a skin. Yeah, it looks like it might be a skin. I don't know, I pissed on it earlier, it didn't move. So I didn't jump and scream like a girl. I'm not a good fly fisherman at all. As a matter of fact, I suck. If I was probably on a river with trout or whatever, I'd go hungry. But I can get out there, you know, 20, 30 feet. Coco! Walk around over here near this tree. Yeah, that's right. I said walk over here near this tree. I'll end up in it before too long, don't you worry. Well, it's been confirmed. There ain't no fish in this pond. What's it doing, Jackson? Oh, motherfucker. Go to clean it off and it wraps all the way around. If that woolly bugger right there didn't catch nothing, there ain't nothing in this pond. The question is, are there fish in this pond? Oh, look at there. I don't know if you caught that on film, but first cast. The old hybrid bluegill. Right about there. Oh, there was another one trying to bite it, just too little. Oh, you gotta be shitting me, fucking tree bass. So yeah, she's caught another tree bass. Time to move away from the tree. Tree been standing there forever. Why the hell I keep nestling on up next to it, I don't know. Probably because it never bothered me with the old closed reel or open face, but I'm talking about a pain in your ass with a fly rod. Demossing that woolly bugger, just real quick like. Fish don't eat moss. Oh, nope, nope, nope. Oh. He wasn't actually attacking the lure. Look at that. They're attacking where the leader's held on to the floating line. So not only are these fish small, they're super stupid. Hybrid doesn't always mean smarter. Yep, she got the moth on her. Clean and dry, look at that. Perfect. Oh, stick bass. Ain't got a little bit of moss. That little trick probably cleans it off within the first couple flicks, but you know how it is once you start going, you just gotta keep going.